Once upon a time, tortoise and bird had a feast to attend to on the sky, but tortoise couldn't fly. The clever tortoise watched bird fly away, and tortoise with bleeding eyes talks to the group of birds to take him to the sky. Bird gives him feathers to fly with them to the sky. At the feast, tortoise tricked everyone to eat first, proudly claiming all the food. Birds angrily take back their feathers, and tortoise fell from the sky and broke his shell. He hit on the ground and his shell was broken into pieces. The villagers helped him to mend his shell. Tortoise has a broken shell forever.